Alright, I was wanting to show y'all. I can't really do this and record. This carburetor, the way the studs came, they came in this little bag. And you see there's a short end and a long end. Yeah, it also came with some jets. You screw that on in, and then you take 2 nuts. I'm going to take one of the old ones, one of the new ones. Screw that down far enough where you can get both nuts on. Screw that one on. And once I get them together, I'm going to tighten and loosen these two together so it becomes one big nut. And it'll lock onto this stud here. And instead of the 2 nuts spinning, it'll turn the stud. So I got one bottom one, and top one. And see, now the whole stud turns. It's right on into the carburetor. And you don't want to go too tight. And the same thing, back it off while tightening. I'm going to do that to both sides.